Okay, so welcome to part 3. On this one we're going to be putting the coolant back in. So we're going to use this little kit. Where's the name? The name is gone. Okay, so if I do happen to find like a link, or maybe I just put it on the description below, I'll put it up. But this actually is pretty neat. If you guys don't have it, you guys should get one. That's as far as it's gonna let me. Yeah, okay. And then just put this here. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. Yeah, that's as far as it'll go. Too bad this thing doesn't stay. Man, hold on. Maybe I could just leave it. Okay, I could just do it like that. Yeah. Okay, so I just wasted my time with the first 30 seconds of this video. Okay, so coolant. I'm gonna use multi-purpose, multi-vehicle. I meant to say multi-vehicle Prestone antifreeze. So here we go. Okay, you saw those bubbles, right? That's normal, because since you opened up the system by taking out the upper radiator hose, lower radiator hose, thermostat, water pump, all those things, you basically got a whole bunch of air in your engine and in the cooling system. And basically those bubbles is the air going out. Okay, so that's one bottle. Well, this bottle was already open, and that was like about 3/4 of a gallon. I'm gonna pause the video. I gotta go get the other. I'm gonna grab the other 2 gallons that I got. It's just I got them in a different place of the house. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the next gallon of coolant. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, so that's already a 1 gallon and 3/4. And we said that it was about 2.5 gallons, so it shouldn't be needing that much, but let's go. Okay. Oh, and remember that we did spill a lot when I took out the water pump. So that's gotta be close to 3 gallons. Alright. And I'm about to run out of coolant. Okay, you see what I'm doing? I'm squeezing the upper radiator hose. If there's any air left in this line, then I should see bubbles coming out. Right now I'm not seeing any bubbles when I'm squeezing. It's just, well, yeah, some bubbles came out on that one. Some more there. Okay. You're probably thinking, what the heck am I going to do with all this coolant that's in this container? Well, that's going to be pretty simple. I could just throw it in the reservoir. And I also have this kit comes with this stick right here, and this goes all the way down at the bottom, and it blocks off the exit of this container, and that way the coolant doesn't spill all over the place if you lift this out. Okay, now here's the thing though, it seems like there's no more air. Okay, some bubbles came out, so there could be like a little tiny bit of air in the system. Yeah. Yep. No more air. I doubt there's any more air in the system. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this up right here. Plug it real nice. Make sure it's sealed. And we're going to, you might see a little bit of spill. I mean, nothing's perfect, but you could always throw it into the reservoir. Let me see how's the reservoir. I think it's maxed out. Yeah, I think the reservoir is to the full line, so I shouldn't need to put it in the reservoir. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send it right back into one of those gallons that I have. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it right on one of the gallons. Okay, take it DT. Alright. And then I just lift this up. I know you guys can't see, but you basically lift it up, lift the stick out, and all that is gonna just drain back into the coolant gallon that you bought. And simple as that. No spill. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot this. Okay, and now just close this up, make it sealed, and close the reservoir, and ladies and gentlemen, we're good to go. Obviously, if this is a customer's car, take it for a test drive. Make sure it goes up to temperature. Make sure it doesn't overheat. Leave it running for a while. Obviously, you gotta hope that the customer is gonna leave the car with you with fuel so you can test drive it. I've had customers that don't leave any fuel in the tank. Basically, leave it empty. And then then it's gonna be difficult for you to test drive the vehicle because, you know, they don't leave any fuel. Anyways, that being said, since if this were your car, right now as it is, you can leave it and then drive it. If you have to drive to work and back, do so. When you come back, let it cool down. Open this up right here, the radiator cap. Open this up. If the fluid is still at the top, then you're good to go. But if it's not, grab that gallon of coolant and fill up till it's to the top again. And you should be done. After that, you shouldn't be able to worry about it again. That's why if this were a customer's car, you gotta test drive it. You gotta make sure that everything's working right. But if it's my car, nobody's gonna care. Just me, myself, and I. So quickly before we end the video, already got the vehicle running. No leaks, which is what I want. Obviously, I haven't repaired the oil leak, but you can see it's that residue right there is basically what actually fell on the exhaust manifold while the vehicle was up here on the ramp. But can't really see from that angle. But yeah, it's basically just falling on the exhaust manifold on both sides, and it's worse on the passenger side. But anyways, that is that. So the vehicle is actually working and it's running good. Let me see, it's at operating temperature. It's maintaining itself at operating temperature, so we're good. Ladies and gents, please don't mind the smoke. Again, I will be replacing this engine very soon. Also, I did already get the engine, the block. It's in the trunk of this Toyota, which I'm gonna do the oil change next. I did say I was gonna do the oil change right after doing the oil change for this one, but the thing is, I decided to, you know what, I'm gonna first repair the coolant leak that this one has, and then deal with the Toyota and everything else, because coolant leak can lead to overheating, and overheating can lead to head gasket issues, and I don't want that. Not yet, okay? This engine can blow whenever literally I'm gonna put the new one on, okay? But for now, it's good. And back to where I left off. So I believe I'm done here. And if this is your car, I believe you are also done with your vehicle. We got nothing else to do here. Everything's tightened down, everything's torqued down. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you enjoyed this series, leave a like on all 3 videos. If you haven't done so just yet, and keep watching the channel. Keep following the channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Help the channel grow to 200 subscribers and past 200 subscribers. So I'll leave it at that, guys. Have a great weekend. Have a great day. Have a great afternoon. Good night. Good morning. However it is at your moment. Stay safe. Stay greasy if you're a mechanic. And I'll see you on the next video.